Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you an amazing, super simple, very, very effective Ho'oponopono technique for those who are appearing for the interviews, or else if you are going to write exams, or any kind of talent test or something. When you are going, just before going to that, do this. All your fears, worries, doubts will go. This Ho'oponopono technique is amazing. If you want to know, then watch this video. Wonderful. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Vardhini. I'm a law of attraction coach and a certified Ho'oponopono healer. Wonderful. In today's video, my dear friends, like if you are going to any kind of interview, job interview, or you are going to write a talent test exam, anything, normally everybody, we get a little bit of tensed or worry about what is going to happen because we want to get that job. If that is there, the fear would always be there. That is the time we have to go and ourselves very beautifully. Otherwise, the people would easily identify our fears. So in order to get the strength and confidence, do this Ho'oponopono technique. It is super simple, my dear friends, very, very simple. So all you have to do is day before or one day before or just before going to the interview, or just before, one day would be better. Okay, do that. You go to any beautiful park and find a big tree with the deep roots inside. Okay, so go to that and take off your shoes or footwear and hug the tree. And just to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I don't know what is there in me. I'm having this fear about my interview, tomorrow's interview, or else I'm having fears, worries, or doubt about tomorrow's exam. Please take all my fears, doubts, and make and prove who I am. So just hug the tree and just chant Ho'oponopono, holding the tree and ask the tree to take everything, all your negative energies towards that particular interview or any doubts about anything, exam or interview. Then the magic happens. Immediately we start feeling lighter. Just check it. And tomorrow the job is yours, and as well as the exam, you will write it so well, my dear friends. Please do this. And of course, you can use this technique. We are giving the whole negative energy into the earth. The deep rooted tree will take all our negative emotions and take it to the mother earth. Like that, we are grounding every negative energy by doing Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Whatever I'm carrying right now, I want to let go to the earth through the tree by hugging the tree. Please do this. It is so beneficial. You feel immediately lighter and you carry a beautiful, confident energy to that interview or exam. You will get super duper success. Okay. If you like this video, please share this information to your friends and family members. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to attend my free Ho'oponopono sessions, that is on 30th and 31st of this month, the mail ID is given below. And please connect through my mail ID. Okay, keep smiling, keep hugging the tree. Okay, just you will see wonderful, wonderful, wonderful results. Okay, sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.